Yeah, so this sign is on the way to the landfill out in Alviso. Maybe Levi Stadium could take a little tip from that sign. Trash must be covered. Maybe I'll show this to them and they might get the idea. Yeah, maybe Levi Stadium needs to put up some of these signs and then enforce that on their patrons. Get some Santa Clara police out there to write tickets, and they could pay for a lot of trash cleanup with $1,000 per offense. Now here is outside the landfill in Alviso, and notice how they have two sections of fine mesh fence. There's a really fine mesh fence up at the top that catches most of the trash because it's windy out here. And then they have a second chain link fence with all the wooden slats, a second barrier. And then, yeah, there's a little bit of trash, but I mean, this looks cleaner than Levi Stadium does. That might have something to do with it. But it's cleaner in front of a landfill than it is in front of Levi Stadium. That is pretty amazing. Let's go take a look up at the driveway here. Okay, this is in front of the Zanker Materials Processing Facility on Los Esteros Road in Alviso. This is a major landfill here, and it looks pretty darn clean. I mean, I see a little bit of broken glass glinting in the sunlight, and a little scrap or two of paper, but that is clean. This is a major landfill. Zanker Materials Processing Facility. There's hundreds of trucks a day go into this place full of garbage. But there's nothing here because these guys are held accountable. They get written up if there's trash out here. And there's inspectors that come out, and if they find trash, they get a citation, and then they probably get so many of those, and they get assessed a fine. There's trash back there. You can see right in the gap in those trees, there's a lot of stuff there. But look at the ground. I mean, they sweep this, and they probably have somebody come out here and pick up any loose trash, because if they don't, they get a ticket. Why can't Levi Stadium be as clean as a landfill? This is like really clean. There's no cigarette butts, there's no cans, there's no bottles, there's no soft drink cups. There's more trash going in and out of here than most any place. You know, this is a major landfill. And you can see over there, there's even more. You know, there's a lot of garbage trucks that go by here. It's like almost spotless. Why can't Levi Stadium be as clean as a landfill? It seemed like if they had any self-respect, they would want their facility to look cleaner than a landfill, but apparently they don't care. They'd rather save a few dollars and let the trash blow in the creek and make a mess around their area. But if they just applied some of the regulations that landfills have to comply by, we could keep them clean. Because I imagine if I found a load of trash out here, I could probably call somebody with the city or the county or the state, and they'd have an inspector out here probably within the day to write these guys up for that. Yet Levi Stadium, nobody cares. Levi Stadium is dirtier than a landfill. That is pretty disappointing. I would be embarrassed if I were Levi Stadium operating company, management company, that their facility is not as clean as a major landfill. That is, yeah, I think that's a good point to end this video. So anyway, I'll stop this right here, and as always, thanks for watching.